In a display of creativity, intelligence, beauty, and elegance, Ms. Promise Chukwuma from Amaokpala village, Amaokpala in Orumba North Council area has emerged victorious as the Ada Amaokpala 2025. Her victory also earned her a prize money of 300,000 naira, while the first runner-up, Ms. Ifunanya Muoloku from Umudike village, went home with 150,000 naira, and Ms. Oma Anyene emerged the second runner-up and clinched 75,000 naira. Correspondent Emmanuel Chibata has details.
Speaking during the occasion, the coordinator of Amaokpala Development Union, Diaspora Branch, Dr. Chukwudi Okeke, commended the participants for their courage and creativity. In her remarks, Ms. Chukwuma said that winning the title is not just a personal achievement, but an opportunity to inspire others in her community and to strive for excellence while upholding their rich cultural values. The Treasurer General, Mr. Emmanuel Okoli, members of Diaspora Branch, Mr. Johnson Ozemena, Mr. Daniel Wankwo, Prince Chidebele Ikweto, and a local organizer, Ms. Ogechukwu Josephat, described the event as a unique avenue for discovering and honing the leadership potential of young women in Amaokpala.
With my new position, what I want to do for Amaokpala, especially for the young girls, is to teach them leadership. But I think we should be given the opportunity to take space, take our own authority, take our own power, to show ourselves and show what we can do and that we can do it.
Showcasing our culture, trying to expose our girls. So this is one of the major things that we are organizing this event.
Created this event in order to expose them to, and which they have embraced, and they are doing well on it. So we are so much impressed, and it's all going well. So we are upgrading every year to see how we can make it to impact more on the ladies.
From Amaokpala, Emmanuel Chibata for ABS News.